I received this wooden magnet coloring kit in the mail as a gift, and I am so excited to share this with my girls. So it does come with these instructions and a color guide to give the girls an idea on how they can decorate each magnet. And on the back, it gives you ideas on what they could be used for. So it does come with magnets and it does come with twine. Therefore, you can hang them, you can put them on a window, on a Christmas tree, or on the refrigerator. So here's the twine that you could use if you choose. It also comes with your magnets that have a sticker backing, so all you have to do is peel off that white backing and stick them white to your piece of wood. And I love that each piece of wood is like multi-dimensional. So you have this 2D item. Each design has very intricate details. Check out this mermaid. And it comes with 12 different markers, very pretty colors. Each design is different, and this will definitely lead to hours of fun.